Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our BD National University. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your BD National University, what you can do is just open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for National University Login BD. After searching for that, you will come up to this page where you can tap on this first option which says NU Login under NU Admissions. Now to log into your account, what you can do is just enter your application roll number and then enter your PIN number. So after entering your roll number and PIN number, you can tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. So if you have forgotten your PIN or your roll, what you can do is just tap on forgot your admission roll or PIN, and then after tapping on that option you can create a new roll number and your PIN number. So just tap on that and then create a new roll number and PIN number. After creating a new roll number and PIN number, just come back to this login page, and after coming back to the login page you have to enter your new roll number and your new PIN number. So after entering your new roll number and PIN number, just tap on login, and after tapping on login you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your BD National University. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.